Hello, today I have this BMW 7 Series F01 with problem with the Christmas tree on the dashboard. Everything glows, a lot of messages, the steering wheel is heavy. So first of all, I plug my diagnostic scanner, scan all the car and all modules fault codes relates to the ABS DSC module. No communication, so diagnostic and all the car not communicating with ABS module. So we first of all try to figure out what's wrong with module, and let's go. We try to figure out. First of all, I check fuses under the glove box because there is three fuses for the ABS module power supply. So I found fuse number 2. It's broken, so it's 5 amperes. So I put one new in, and it once again broken instantly. So I start searching what the issue, and I found in the wiring diagrams that this fuse is power supply not only ABS module but and the system for keyless entry. And one time I have this issue with BMW. It was exterior handle. It's short circuit, and this time is the same fault. It's door handle, but you should figure out what handle is. So I unplug first of all this handle and put new fuse in. Nothing changes, the fuse broken again. So I unplug this handle. It's very simple, just one screw. All doors have this hole, just one screw, and you can unplug here connector, and you can test with new fuse. So these two handles not change the situation, and then I unplug this one, the fuse don't broke again. So conclusion is broken sensor control module in the handle that have short circuit, and it blows fuse, and there is no power supply for keyless and ABS system, and all car is very angry for that. So I put new fuse, and now we can check how many lamps left. Let's try to start the engine. So Well, I think so. Now need to delete all messages. This one I think just need the road test for steering. Maybe we can try this one, hold it. The steering wheel, it's not heavy, it's easy to turn. So I try next to go to the road test and delete the codes. So after the road test, all messages gone. So the car was fixed. Just unplug the handle. The customer I told that you need to replace the handle if you want to use the keyless entry. And so if you have BMW 7 Series 01 with problem with ABS system not communicating, first of all you need to check if your keyless system not working too. There is a fuse in the glove box number 2. You need to check this first, and maybe you have the same problem. Thanks for watching.